Hi, my name is Laura. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. I know it's been a little bit since you last saw me. My mom surprised me with this trip to Florida to surprise my sister, who was gonna be there for a few weeks right before she went back to college. So I went to go do that, and I was supposed to still, have it together over there, but it just didn't work out. And now that I'm back, been back for a few days, it's been a little bit of a struggle, not gonna lie. I don't know why. I've just hated everything I've been doing lately. I've just been super hard on myself. Until this morning, I was playing with makeup. I created this look. I didn't think I was gonna film it at all, but I ended up liking it, and so here we are. I created this simple but a little daring, at least for me, with the wing liner, with the new Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I really wanted a fun, brand new purple tone palette that isn't the same like berry tones that I keep buying. Something a little different, and this one was it. Just perfect. Perfect. You can do so many looks with this, and the shimmers are, the colors are just so beautiful. All right, so if you're interested in this quick, fun, simple little tutorial, just keep on watching. Okay, I already primed my eyelids, and I'm starting off with the color Eccentric. Okay, that is Eccentric. I'm going to take a little bit more. Just using another brush to blend it all out. Okay, now I'm gonna take a smaller fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into the color Love. I want to make this a little peachier. I'm gonna start off right at the bottom and blend into the crease. I'm gonna go back with that first brush that I was using, that dark yellow color, Eccentric, and I'm gonna go over it again. And take some more Love and place it in the crease again and just blend. Okay, now I'm gonna take a very small brush. I'm gonna go into Passion, and I'm gonna go into the outer corner and just blend. Place it and blend outwards. I only want it in this like little triangle shape right here. I don't love that brush that much. I'm gonna go back to the one I used for this eye, which is the Sigma E47 crease brush. Grab a little more of Passion. And then blend it into the crease and kind of just like start blending up a little bit. Okay, take like a medium-sized fluff brush. I'm gonna take a tiny little bit of Passion, like right at the tip. Take off most of it, and just place it right there. Blend. All right, now we're gonna go back to the bigger fluff brush, get a little bit of eccentric, that dark muted yellow. Take off a lot of it and then just kind of start blending away. Take that fluffy brush again, go back into Passion, which is the brick red, with a tiny little bit, and we're just gonna blend a little bit more in there. You can take a little bit of Love, which is the pink, and add a little bit to this side. Okay, we've got a warmer yellowish hue with the pink. It's looking a little bit more peachy. I'm gonna take a little bit of, tiny little bit of the NYX glitter glue. I need glitter glue because shimmers on me always transfer. And now I'm gonna go in with Summer and Wild Child, mix it together, kind of just grab a little bit of Summer with my finger, and then a little bit of Wild Child on top. And I'm gonna first place it on my hand and see what color I get. That is beautiful. It's kind of exactly what I want. And then I'm gonna go in. All right, there I went in a little bit. Now, when you have hooded eyelids like I do and everything transfers, the less you put of shimmers, the better. So I'm literally just stamping it on and then with my other finger blending it out so that everything is as stuck to the glitter glue as possible. And it is not just ending up all over my eyes. All right, now I'm gonna attempt to make this wing over here. So I grabbed a little bit of MAC Fix Plus, then put my little pencil brush in it, took some of it off. Now I dipped the brush into the color Soul, and we are ready to do this. I'm scared. All right, there's some sort of wing. I keep going back in and dipping my brush into Soul. By the way, I'm just dipping into like a tiny corner of the pan so I don't ruin all of it, because you know, water kind of like makes it a little bit crusty, and you know, you don't want to ruin your color. All right, for a person who never does wings, this one is not coming out half bad. With a little pencil brush, I'm going to take the shade Eccentric, the brick yellow, and I'm going to place it all over my lower lash line. Adding a good amount of that color so that we can place some other colors on top. First color I'm going to place on top is Love, it's pink. And I'm gonna try to get it even closer to the waterline than I did with that yellow. All right, I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm going to go into the shade Passion, brick red we've been using, and this is gonna go even closer to the waterline. And then I'm going to clean off a little bit this brush because I'm gonna need it for something else. I'm gonna go back into Soul which is that beautiful periwinkle. And I'm gonna attempt to go even closer to the waterline. And now to clean up. Oh, there's nothing like some good mascara to make everything look so much better. Okay, so this is the final look. It is a very simple, peachy, with a hint of purple in there look. I don't know, I really love it. I love this Norvina palette, as you already know if you saw my first video ever. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed my quick little tutorial, and I really hope I see you in my next one.